How can you solve 1 plus 7? How did you find the sum? That's right, it is a plus 1, so we find 7 on the number line and we count 1 more. So 1 plus 7 equals 8. We're going to do the same thing that we did yesterday, except we're adding a 0 at the end. So, for example, if I had 1 10 plus 7 more 10s, that would equal what number? That's right, it would be 80. Do you see how I had my 1, my 7, and that equals 8? And all I did was I added a 0 at the end of all of them. So now I have 10 plus 70 equals 80. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to add our numbers together exactly like we did yesterday, except we're going to be adding a 0. So if I look at the tens place on all of them, I can figure out what the sum is by adding the tens place together and then adding my 0 behind it. So, whenever we use tens, I like to do a quick draw. Barb has 20 pennies. Ed has 30 pennies. How many pennies do they have? So, if I have 20 pennies plus 30 pennies, it is very much like having 2 plus 3, which equals, you're right, it equals 5. But now I have to go back and add my 0. So 20 pennies plus 30 pennies equals 50 pennies. How does your drawing show how you solved the problem? Let's do another one. Kyle has 40 pennies. Kim has 50 pennies. How many pennies do they have? I'm going to add my 40 pennies plus my 50 pennies by looking only at the tens place first. 4 plus 5 is a double plus 1. 4 plus 4 equals 8, plus 1 more equals 9. But then I have to add my ones place back in. So it changes my 9 to a 90. Please make sure that you draw your quick draw picture to show your work.